In this lesson, I will explain to you some print option in Microsoft Excel. Suppose this file you want to print. So first of all, you have to click on this file tab. When you will click on this file tab, this view will open. This is called the backstage view. In backstage view, you can see the print option is here. Click on the print option. Then you can see different options on the left hand side, and we have our worksheet which we have to print on our right hand side. So here you can see that this sheet has two pages. This is one of two. If I will click on the next page, then this is the two of two. On the bottom of right hand side, you can see zoom to page option. When I will click here, you can see this is zoom in. If you want zoom out, this is zoom out. Besides this option, we have one more option that is called show margin. When I will click on this, then you can see we have the options, margin options here. You can increase or decrease the margin here as well. We can perform the same function from here, which I will show you. I'm going to click one more time, so this show margin buttons are disappear. Now come here on our left hand side. This is the custom scaling. Open this, and here we have different options. So fit sheet on one page. Now we have two pages. If you want to print everything on one page, then you have to click here, and you can see the preview here. All information is in one page. When we will print this, it will be very small, right? Font size will be small. Now again open fit all columns on one page. This is your homework. I will show you fit all rows on one page. If I will click here, see, suppose if you have 50 or 60 rows, you will see in one page. And now we have here one of three. So the rest of the options, this one you have to try. Now we are going to custom margin. Open this. Here we have the normal margin. See, you can observe the margin at the top, bottom, left and right. When I will click on the normal, see, it's changed. The setting is changed. Again open this. I will show you the wide. Wide is 2.54 centimeter, which is equal to 1 inches from top, bottom. See, from here, here, here and here, it is 2.54 inches. This is for the narrow. If you do not want normal, wide or narrow, you can set your own margin, which is called the custom margins. So click here on the custom margins. Here is 2.5, 2.5, which we did right now. If you want to decrease, suppose I want to make it 1.5 from the left side, suppose 1.5 from here, and 1 from the top, 1 from the bottom. This is not the standard, right? But I am only going to show you that you can make your own settings as well. Now you can see the preview here. It is 1 and 1 centimeter from top and bottom, and 1.5. One more thing, when I will open, you will see whatever is the last custom setting will appear here. If I will change it, you will see the changes here. Now again, custom margin, open this, go to the page, and here we have orientation. So we can have two orientation, portrait and landscape. This is the portrait. If you want to take the print out as a landscape, then you have to click here and press OK. So you will see it will convert to landscape. Right, open this again, go to the custom margins. Why? Because we are learning some more features. I am going to make it portrait again. Here it adjust to, right? So suppose I will make it 115. When I will click it, you will see it will convert to portrait. But now we have 10 pages because the font size is increased. If you want to decrease the font size, then you have to go there again, and here in the page, this is adjust to, just decrease it. If I will make 75, okay, then you will see the effect now we have in 3 pages. Okay, now one more interesting feature I will show you here. This one, fit to. If you want fit to one page everything, then you have to scroll up and down. If you want to fit in 2 pages or 3 pages, I will show you 2 pages. You can play with it. And this tall is 1, that is fine. So when I will click OK, so you will see now it is in 2 pages, 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Initially it was 3, I have made it 2. Right, from where you have to go here, custom margins, and here from page you can make your setting. This is a paper size. Open this and you can have legal statement, A4, A5, whatever you want, you can select from here. Right, okay, the portrait view and the landscape, you can also change this setting from here as well, because in Excel you can perform one function by using 2 or 3 different ways. So portrait orientation and landscape orientation from here as well. Now this is the important thing, very very interesting, right? So see what is the meaning of it. Suppose if you want to print 3 copies of this data, right? There are 2 sheets now because I have changed the font size. Now we have 2 sheets. So if you want to make the printout, so first of all it will take the printout of first sheet and then second. 3 copies I need, then first and second, then first and second, right? So this is for the collated. If the collated is selected, then you will get one set. If you have suppose 10 pages or 3 pages, right? So it will print 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. If you will select uncollated, right, and you want 3 copies, so first it will print the 3 copies of the first page, 3 copies of the second page, 3 copies of the third page. So this is one of the most important feature here. Then this is print one side. If you want to print only one side of the paper, one side, open this. If you want to print on both side means it will print on this side and the back of this side. It's up to you. And here are the pages. Here we have only 2 pages, right? If you want to print only one page, so you have to write down 1 1 here. If you have 10 pages, you want to print 5, so range 1 to 5 it will print for you, right? Okay, this is the print active sheet. This is the active sheet. Open this arrow, then print entire workbook. Suppose in our workbook we have 10 sheets, so you have to select print entire workbook and click print. And the last is the print selection. This is one of the most important. I will show you what is the meaning of it. Sometimes we do not want to print all each and every column or rows. You want to select it, right? Suppose you want to print only this part, so you have to select from here, go to the file in backstage view, click on the print option, and then in print option you have to open this print selection. Now you can see the preview. Only this part will print for you, right? So this is the important thing here. I am going to deselect it here from, because we are just learning, we are not printing anything so far. Okay, so this one is done. Then you have to select your printer, right? Because in organization we can have different printers. Whatever you want, you have to select from here and then click on print. So how simple it is. So we have learned in this lesson few options of the print function. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.